else is really intrigued by clean beauty? Just me? Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you some products that I am really excited about. I don't know about you, but I personally enjoy using clean beauty products that are very effective. And it can be hard to find clean beauty products that are effective. And today we are testing out some products. Or not testing out. I've actually used these several times before and have been really excited about the results. What I'm talking about today is the Simply Curls Co. Clean Shampoo, Clean Conditioner, and their Flaxseed Gel. Yes, I love a good flaxseed gel. What first got me interested in these products was a very sweet follower on Instagram. She recommended I take a look at it, and turns out that this company is a small woman-owned business, and her name is April. She has an Etsy shop. Link in description. Please open that up and check that out. But she hand makes every single product in her kitchen, and her mission is clean, vegan, zero waste.
Wow.
Products. Another thing that's very interesting to me about these products is that there is absolutely no coconut in here. And recently I've been experimenting with removing coconut from my products to see if that helps with my scalp. So let me just read a little bit off of the bottle. Everybody's favorite thing, right? This is the clean conditioner, and their promises are that it is simply made. We select simple formulas from low allergen plant sources. And I have some allergies that I'm just now trying to figure out and work through, so I really appreciated this company sourcing their ingredients from low allergen plant sources. We also use refillable bottles because less is more for you, for your hair, and for the planet. So you can actually buy refills to these bottles. If you purchase from her, you don't necessarily have to keep purchasing this bottle, and you can just purchase the refills, which is very exciting. Another aspect of the Simply Curls Co. that is really exciting is that you can choose your fragrance. I believe I chose the orange fragrance, but you could get scent free. The only fragrance she uses in her products would be essential oils, and I personally am really enjoying the orange scent. So as you could tell, the shampoo really lathered up well, and you may be wondering what the surfactant ingredient is in here that caused it to foam and make such good bubbles, especially if they're sourcing from low allergen plant sources. Artesian spring water is the first ingredient, then Wildcraft soap nut. What is soap nut? Soap nut is a berry that has a surfactant type quality to it. I'll write down the name of the thing in soap nut that causes it to act like a surfactant. I've started looking into this surfactant a little bit more to see if it's as harsh and stripping as sulfates, but everything that I'm showing is that it is about as cleansing and clarifying as some of the coconut derived surfactants, which are all very gentle and Curly Girl approved. Now, that was something that was very cool to me about the shampoo. She also includes natural probiotics in her products, which I am really appreciating. I feel like having those probiotics in her ingredients are nice. It's different. It's not something I've seen in hair care before. Now, the product that I was most excited about. I was excited about the conditioner, I was excited about the shampoo, but the thing that I was most excited about was her flaxseed gel, because when I was looking at different products on her website, I noticed that the flaxseed gel had water, organic flaxseed, organic aloe vera, which my hair loves. And she says that Simply Flaxseed Hair Gel moisturizes your curls while creating a soft yet distinct hold. Flax seeds nourish your hair and scalp with vitamin E, omega-3s, while aloe boosts your hair's strength and shine and moisture. Together, these certified organic ingredients provide your curls with that classic flaxseed gel hold. And I would totally agree with that. This is not a strong hold gel. It is more like an enhancer for me, as is flaxseed gel. One more thing about the clean conditioner. I spoke with April to see if this would be okay to be used as a leave-in. However, it does have a pH of 3, which gives your hair absolutely amazing slip when you're using this, but that also means that it's not necessarily designed to be left in your hair. She said pH of 3.5. So, not necessarily good as a leave-in in your hair. Go ahead and rinse it out. But I found that my hair is so soft and hydrated after using it that I don't even necessarily want a leave-in after using the conditioner. All right, let's get into washing my hair. So here I am over my tub for the umpteenth millionth time. Just kidding. I actually do wash my hair upside down every time I wash my hair. For those of you who are asking, I am just now going in with the clean shampoo. And I really have gotten to where I like distributing my shampoos in small amounts in sections. And as you can see, it does really lather up very, very nicely. Gotta love that scalp brush. That thing feels so good. But washing my hair upside down does give me quite a bit of volume. Now I'm going in with the clean conditioner and working that in, smoothing that over, and beginning to rake it through my hair to start distributing that conditioner into my hair. This conditioner has good slip for me, but you know me, I can't help myself. I've got to grab my wet brush and finish working that conditioner all the way through my hair. Doing a little bit more of the squish to condish to really get that conditioner absorbed into my hair so that my hair is thoroughly hydrated. And squishing and squishing. And now I'm going to rinse all that conditioner out because, like I said earlier, it does have a very low pH, so I do need to get it out. And I am scrubbing my scalp with my fingers to make sure it's super clean. Now I'm grabbing the flaxseed gel, and this stuff is really liquidy. So I'm applying small amounts in sections, and I do rake the hair off the back of my head when I have the flaxseed gel in it, and then I smooth my clumps together with my wet brush in the front, and I am just going to add a touch of water to the back of my hair. This makes sure that the back of my head still clumps even after I got the hair unstuck from the back of my head. Now I'm going to apply product directly to the back of my head because I got the front layer and the back canopy, but I didn't really get the midsections of the back. So I'm just making sure to apply product very well to those areas and squishing the product in very thoroughly. More squishing is more better when you are a barely wavy. And yeah, that is just about it. Gotta squish a little bit more. Good clumps. So I have diffused my hair. I diffused for about 30 minutes, and then it was give or take 80 to 90% dry, somewhere in there, and there's really no crunch to speak of, but I will scrunch out the crunch and fluff it. I've let it finish air drying, so we're all ready. I always forget, gotta take off the ring before you really stick your fingers in and start fluffing your hair. Oops. And taking out my jaw clip that clipped my cowlick shut. If you're curious to see how I do that, you are welcome to check out my diffusing video. I show exactly how I clip my cowlicks shut so that they're not quite so bad. All right. You've got to do the great big dramatic hair flip, that's for sure. And then you rock the middle part, which gives you no volume whatsoever. I can't do that. Okay, let's see. I always like to part my hair on the opposite side to where it's going to be parted normally. Sorry, that didn't make any sense. I part my hair on this side usually when it's finishing up air drying so that when I fluff out my roots, I have all this volume. All right, so here is the final look. And I will be trying to show you the results tomorrow, but sadly I'm going to be getting up really early tomorrow and going for a run, so this isn't gonna last. I just know it's not. How hot it is and how intense my running has been, it has not been working out for me, but I will try. I will try to refresh it after running to show y'all how well it held up. All right, I'll see y'all in the morning. Really quick, I wanted to show you what the hair's looking like before I put it up to go run. I'm being quiet because it's very early in the morning and everyone's still asleep, but this is just taking it out of the pineapple, doing nothing to it. My hair still feels incredibly soft. I just love how soft and smooth my hair feels. And here's my hair after going for a run. Guys, this is good. I am really, really pleased. Let me show you what we're working with. Of course, it's not as defined as it was right after I scrunched out the crunch, but this is after going for a run. And it wasn't a super easy workout either. Like, we did a lot of sprinting. I'm running with a group now. You don't need this information. Anyway, I am playing around with different styling techniques and protective hairstyles for people who like to work out and maintain their curly hair and not have to wash it every day. And I'm gonna drop a little secret into this video. I followed a tip that I learned from a friend on Instagram. I'll put her Instagram handle right here and down below. She said to immediately, once you get in your car, take your hair down out of your protective style and crank the AC. Now, you don't necessarily need to have cold air, just have like lots of air. And I aimed that air right, like I had it hitting my ears so that it was drying the underneath part of my hair where I was the most sweaty. And I gotta tell you, like, my hair isn't horribly greasy or gross. Another thing that is really difficult for me after working out and not washing my hair is that my scalp gets super itchy and it feels uncomfortable. And I've got to say that with these products, my hair and scalp are both feeling awesome. My hair still feels incredibly soft and lightweight, and my roots don't feel itchy and greasy. I know I'm a little greasy, but they're not like super itchy and uncomfortable. So that's a win. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciated y'all hanging out with me today, and I hope you found this video helpful. And now, for those of you who stuck around this long, y'all are going to have a little surprise present. So when I ordered my products from April, she sent me the flaxseed gel. However, she put the wrong label on it. she put the defined hair gel label on the flaxseed gel. And I was concerned that I had received the wrong product, so I emailed her, and she was very quick to respond and say, show me a picture of the product. I showed her a picture, and she said, nope, that's my flaxseed gel because it's a dark, liquidy type consistency. She said, that is the flaxseed gel. I just put the wrong label on it. And I asked her, can you just send me the other label for picture purposes? And she said, yeah, sure, I'll send you a label. I'll get it out to you right away. And this shows up 2 days later. She actually sent me a full-sized flaxseed hair gel product, an extra. So if you really enjoyed this video and you want to be entered in a secret little giveaway, all you need to do is comment a red heart emoji down below and tell me your favorite clean beauty product, and you will be entered in a giveaway that will end 1 week from today. Unfortunately, I am not set up to have an international giveaway just yet, so some of the rules are that, so this is limited to the US only, and I will announce the winner on the community tab on my page. If you do not email me within 24 hours, I will select another winner. So please be keeping your eyes wide open for that information to see if you've won. Again, I'll announce the winner on my community tab page. You know what? I'll also update this description box down below and put the name of the winner in the very bottom so that you can check back in a week to see if you won. If you did, please email me. My email address is in the About tab on my page. All right, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.